Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the trace of any given matrix. So to find the trace of a matrix A, what we will do? We have to find the sum of all the elements of principal diagonal. And it is valid for square matrix only. Means number of rows should be equal to number of column. So let's suppose there is a matrix that is 2, 1, minus 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 2 and 3. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 3, means it is a square matrix. Now if we want to find the trace of A, then we have to add these diagonal elements. So this is the principal diagonal and 2, 3 and 3 are diagonal elements. So we need to add them. So we will get 2 plus 3 plus 3, then it will become 8. So the trace of the matrix is A. Similarly, they can give you any matrix, but what you have to do, you have to just add on all the diagonal elements. So there may be variable present, so we can add them accordingly by using algebra. So if you like this video, then please share it with your friends. And I have also made a calculator to find the trace of any matrix. I will put down the link of that in the description below. If you have any doubt, then feel free to ask in comment box. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.